Alright, let's put this guy to bed here. You got one fraction, two fractions. Not so good, so let's put this together. Remember, you can make a 1 look like anything as long as the top and bottom is the same. I want the bottom of this to look like an x. So let's make that x over x. Nothing too fancy there, right? I want the bottom here, I want the bottom to be an x, so I'll make x over x is 1. X minus 6 over x equals negative 8 over x squared. If I multiply, I'm going to wind up with a quadratic. We can do it that way if you want. To get the same denominator, I'm going to have to multiply the top and bottom by x anyways to get x squared. So I'm going to wind up with a quadratic either way. Let's just do the cross multiply way. Alright, now I need to multiply the x squared times x minus 6. That'd be x cubed minus 6x squared. Alright, well, if I look at this, you think, well, how in the world do I solve this? Is a quadratic? Well, this isn't a quadratic. Well, get a 0 over here, add the 8x over. You can't add it to anything because there's no like terms. So you end up with 0 equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 8x. Notice how every term has an x on it? So you factor out an x. Cool. Now, factor this part out. The x, two numbers that multiply to give you 8, but combine to give you negative 6. Negative 2 and negative 4 work. So set all three pieces equal to 0. Alright, so x equals 0 is just an answer. What value would give you 0 there? 2. What value would give you 0 here? 4. I got 3 answers. 0, 2, and 4. Now, if I go up to the top, I can't use 0 because 0 gives me 0 in the denominator. So I don't have 3 answers. It looks to me like I only have 1 answer. I'm sorry, I don't have 3 answers. I've got 2 answers, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So let's just see, make sure. What if I put a 2 in there? What would I get? Give me a piece of paper here. Just to double check. So 1 minus, what's 6 divided by 2? It's 3. And 2 squared is 4. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. Cool. Checks out. Same thing on both sides. What if I put my other answer in, a 4? Alright, 1 minus 6/4 equals negative 8 over 16. So a little bit simplifying here. 1 is like saying 4 over 4 minus 6 over 4. And we can simplify this down to say, let's see, 4 goes into negative 8, negative 2 times. 4 goes into 16, 4 times. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Hey, that's exactly the same. Cool. 2 answers to this question. 2 and 4.